You have to check your baggage in an hour and a half before your flight.
Hour and a half?
Yes.
We'll get there in time.
Okay.
An hour and a half?
I just called them. That's what they said.
Okay. Let's keep going, man.
Because they have to load it up on the plane and all that kind of stuff.
That's going to give us a good hour. We get there, it's a 2.5 hour drive.
Do you have the airport address in your GPS?
No, I got my GPS on. I'm going to put it in there.
Do you have their address?
No. You just... Southeast Little Rock. South is 430.